Going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in slightly negative MACD, but we're approaching to positive MACD. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD. We did see it diverge and appears to be approaching to negative MACD, as we also see the 9-moving average diverge onto the 18-moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. As with the daily chart, we have now reached to positive MACD. As for the trade idea for GDXJ, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry into my long position is at $45.82. My sell target is at $51.73, and my stop loss is at $43.61. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $52.90, and my sell target is at $48.19. My stop loss is at $54.16. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 67% chance to climb between 0 to 7%, and to the downside it has a 33% chance to fall between -7 to -14%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.